Compound cost very close to 34.4300 a coin, or so they thought. The current exchange rate is between 33,760 and 35,5440, and the previous day's close was at 35,5440. The real change was 1.1100, or 3.12%. This is despite the fact that most people think the reverse rate from USD to comp is beautiful, and despite the fact that most people think the compound value will go up in the near future and month. 38.37, but at least 33.35, which is all that really counts, is really important. Compound gauge on Friday cost 36.48, which is really the highest price. 39.03 really only leaves 33.93, which is less than what most people think the price of crude oil will be on Monday. 37.77 really least 32.83, and a look at how the expected compound cost on Monday is 35.30, really most. 37.77 really least 32.83, which is a really big compound guess, costs 35.15 really most on Tuesday. 37.61, especially at least 32.69, or so they thought, and the most they thought it would cost in the next few weeks was 35.55. 38.04 lease 33.06 in a very big way. Compound gauge cost 34.98 on Thursday, June 1st, which was the highest price ever. 37.43 to 32.53, which is a very high total price. On Friday, June 2nd, the price was $36.02, which was the highest price ever. 38.54 definitely least 33.50 really goes against what most people think on Monday, June 5th cost 3036.20, definitely highest 38.73 by and large lease 33.67, or so they thought. Compound cost prediction on Tuesday, June 6th, cost 36.24 at most. 38.78 by and large lease 33.70, which is very big in about 14 days. On Wednesday, June 7th, compound cost prediction cost 36.61 at most. 39.17 exceptionally least 34.05 in a kind of important way. Compound cost expectation on Thursday, June 8th, cost 36.08 and in every practical sense highest 38.61, definitely least 33.55 speculative price on Friday, June 9th, 35.63 definitely highest 38.12 taking everything into account, at least 33.14, which is what really counts, is a very large compound forecast for Monday, June 12th to cost 34.44. 36.85 kind of lease 32.03 in a by and large huge manner. Compound guess on Tuesday, June 13th cost $34.52 really most extreme 36.94 kind of lease 32.10, or so they by and large thought. And 3 weeks compound cost estimate on Wednesday, June 14th cost 34.58 really best 37.00, exceptionally lease 32.16 in a quiet way. Compound guess on Thursday, June 15th, cost $32.62 kind of most extreme 34.90 really least 30.34 in a big way. Compound price expectation on Friday, June 16th cost $32.03. Really most expensive. 34.27 kind of lease 29.79 in a big way. Compound estimate on Monday, June 19th cost 30.99 really highest. 33.16 kind of lease 28.82 and a very important way. Compound cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20th cost 31.67 definitely most extreme 33.89 least 29.45 really against what most people think in about a month. Compound speculation on June 21st cost $31.04 kind of highest. 33.21 type of lease 28.87, which is very important. Compound cost expectation on Thursday, June 22 price 31.69 highest 33.91 especially least 29.47, which is a very large compound estimate that on Friday, June 23, it will cost $31.56 really most, 33.77 especially at least 29.35 most of the time, contrary to what most people think. The USD to comp conversion scale really equals 0.0290 coins per $1, which shows that in a multi-week compound cost estimate, Wednesday, May 31st, it will cost $35.55 really most. 38.04 essentially at least 33.06 in a big way today's reach 0.0281 minus 0.0296 showing how compound gauge on Friday, June 9th, cost 35.63 exceptionally most extreme 38.12 truly least 33.14 truly in spite of what most people think the last day Esner by 0.0281 showing how the last days near 0.0281, which is a really big change for now, plus 0.0009 plus 3.2% showing how SD to comp conversion scale is usually equal to 0.0 all things considered. The best 0.030 and the worst 0.026 in a straightforward way. USD to comp forecast on Tuesday, May 30th, cost 0.028 coins, the best 0.031 and the worst 0.027, which shows that the change was 1.1100, or 3.12%, in a multi-week dollar to intensify forecast on Wednesday, May 31st. Cost 0.028 coins, the best 0.030 and the worst 0.026, which is a very big number. Thursday, there was a big drop in the prices of cryptocurrencies because people were worried about the US debt ceiling. Bitcoin, BTC, dropped by 1.4% to $26,790, and Ethereum, ETH, sold for just over $1,850. The amount of BTC traded was about $15.19 billion, which is down 2.45% from the day before. Finance glance. Some people tried to sell Bitcoin when the debt ceiling bill was sent to the Senate for a vote, and investors stayed away from riskier assets as the economy changed quickly. Shivam Thakral, CEO of Bayou Coin, says that the crypto market will stay choppy in the coming weeks as the world waits to see how the US debt limit bill turns out. At the moment, the total volume of DeFi is $2.57 billion, which is 8.06%